If there is one service in Google's cloud platform which has no other similarity in any other cloud provider, in my humble opinion, then I would say that it is BigQuery. BigQuery is simply out of this world. I I have been Oracle DBA for a long, long time, and I have delved into a lot of other databases, but I believe that the ease of use, the power, the scalability of BigQuery is second to none. Okay, enough of the marketing of BigQuery. I just recently stumbled upon this great blog post by Google's own architects, Tristan and Diksha Gulati, who have introduced us to this new JSON functionality or JSON functions in BigQuery. Let me walk you through it as it would be simple, and I will drop the link to this blog post in video's description. So first they are creating a data set with some JSON data, and then they have selected from it, and you can see that it is typical JSON information. And then from there, this is a function they are using where uh, they are using this lax int64 JSON 10, and it has returning you the JSON data. You can even remove a field with JSON remove function, very easy. And then you can also use JSON strips null, which compresses the data by removing the JSON null. And this is very, very crucial for any data analytics job, as you can imagine. Now, there are a lot of other functions which you can go through, and this is a list on within Google's own documentation, which you can check and read the description. And there are some mutators, there are some accessors, converters, lax converter, and the list goes on. I will drop the link to both of these in future description, and I would highly encourage you that if you are a user of BigQuery and you deal with JSON data, this is a must. Thank you.